Hi everyone, I thought I would see if I can show you how to make a hologram projector. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a piece of paper and a template, which I have sent out, or you can get on the bottom of this link. You're going to need a piece of plastic. Now this plastic, what I've done here is I have laminated a laminate pouch, and I'll use that one. Alternatively, you could use some clear plastic from the recycling and you could stick things together. Or you could take the front of a folder or a notebook, you might be able to use that. It needs to be totally transparent. Either print out, or what I managed to do was take it from my computer screen and print out the template. There are two sizes. There's a big one, and that we can use in our iPads. And we've got a smaller one, which you can use for your phone. So what you need to do is take your plastic, take your laminate, and you need then to draw around the one that you're going to use. So with your Sharpie, you've drawn around it, and you should end up with a shape, if we can see it, with that on the back, like that. So you're going to spend a little bit of time cutting it out. Now you might want to get an adult, a grown-up, to help you do that, because this plastic can be quite sharp. Now that you've cut it out, what you're going to do is you are going to fold down each one of these lines here. So we'll take this one. Again, you may need to get a grown-up to help you do this. So it goes from the point all the way down to the centre, and keep going all the way round. Point to the centre, the point to the centre. So you end up with a perspex, almost like a pyramid. So then grab a piece of sellotape, show you that, piece of sellotape, and fix the two sides together. The important thing is that you line up, we'll get there in a minute, you line up the middle section so that this is going to sit flat onto your iPad or Surface Pro. And this is going to be your hologram projecting unit. Okay. Once you've done your hologram projector, once you've made it, if you go onto YouTube and search in butterfly hologram video, it will take you to a video where you can put this right in the middle of the screen, and there will be 4 separate little videos going on. Then you need to look in to the side of your projector and you should see the hologram of a butterfly in there. Hope you enjoyed doing that, and send us your videos, send us your pictures. We'd love to see them.